Hey dudes, I'm going to make a video for you today. I'm the man, and I'm going to show you how to do circle graphs. That's what your IXLs are on for today. There are three types of questions that you're going to see. And the first question deals with circle graphs. And so what they're going to give you is, instead of percents, they're going to give you fractions. So what we have to do is we've got to deal with fractions instead of dealing with the percent. So if you look at the circle graph, they're looking at the number of students in the applied majors. So how many students are in the majors, these majors around the circle. So the fraction shows you the part of, and they give you the total, 36. So this whole circle graph represents 36 people. So now I want to find how many more electronics than mechanical engineering. So my handwriting's covering it up, but if there's 36 total, how many more are in electronics than mechanical engineering? So the first thing I want to do is find out how many people how many people are in the major of electronics and how many people are in the major of mechanical engineering. To do that, I want to take a sixth of this total, which is 36. And for mechanical, I'm going to take a 12th of the total. Now, there's two ways to deal with this problem. Remember, of means times. So I'm going to take a 6 times 36. I'm going to take a 12 times 36. So there's a few ways to do it. Probably the easiest way is just to treat them like fractions and reduce. How many 6s go into 36? Well, that's 6. And 6 times 1 is 6. And how many 12s go into 36? Well, that's 3. Or you can take a calc and you can take 1 divided by 6, and that's 0.1666. I'm going to times that by 36. And you're going to get the same answer as 6. So you can take your fraction, take the top divided by the bottom, and that will give you a decimal, and then you can multiply it by 36. All right. Well, they want to know how many more people. Well, if I have 6 in electronics, 3 in mechanical, 6 subtract 3, there's 3 more people that are in electronics. All right, so let's look at the second type of problem. And let me erase the 36 out of here. All right, the second problem you're going to get now is they're going to give you a percent. And these are a lot easier. So basically, I want London. And the key right here is, what does the circle graph represent? And it represents 20 people. So basically, London is 20%. So I want to find 20% of the total 20. Well, kick your percent to a decimal, move it over 2 spots. 0.2 of means times 20. If I take 0.2 times 20, I'm going to get 4. So that's 4 people. All right, the last IXL you're going to deal with is trying to find, let me erase this. I want to try to find the central angle. This is the central angle right here for cream filled. And for powdered, this is the degree. The central angle is the degree of this opening for the green. So they want cream filled right here, and it's 40%. Well, now it's not 40% of a number of people, but it's 40% of the degrees of a full circle. And the full circle is 360 degrees. So I have it written for you. So I want to find 40% of the total circle, 360. So kick 40% to 0.4 times 360. Use a calc, and you're going to get 144. So this angle right there is 144 degrees. All right. All right. Well, good luck. Check in if you need me. Get into Zoom. I'm there from 12 to noon, and then I'll help you. All right.